Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are still here at the gym. Yeah, I end up sleeping here. It's already 8 o'clock. Yeah, and one thing I realized that this gym is actually, a lot of people come here even in the late night and early morning. And you notice this bun? Yeah, I would like to have something like this kind of bun. It's higher. It means that I'll be able to stand up inside. Yeah, like a real house. Yeah, I'm honestly enjoying the van life. If this one is higher, it must be very good. Yeah. At the moment, it is very quiet still. And the gym parking is actually fully occupied. Lots of cars here at the side of the road. Now I'm going to find a restaurant to have a breakfast. Check on Google Map and there are two restaurants along the way, about 600 meters. And they actually end up coming here in Jesmond Central. Yeah, I did not have a chance to park near to the restaurant, near to the gym. Actually almost finished, but I'm having this chocolate chip muffin and the cappuccino. Between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving you both is breaking all the rules. And we are now here at the Anytime Fitness here in Salamander Bay. Yeah, so basically this morning after coming from the Anytime Fitness where I sleep, it was become rainy, and so I decided to just stay in my apartment. I was just there in the bed. Yeah, until I decided to come here. It is already 5:56 and my duty tomorrow is actually breakfast, 6 o'clock. Yeah. And a lot of people here today at the gym. Lot of cars, but for sure a lot of people inside the gym. One car of one person, or maybe two. Yeah, usually one person per car. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, we are here at the shopping center. I just finished my duty. It is now 2:49. And I'm going to the grocery to buy something to eat or something to cook maybe. This is my very first time to see this kind of noodles here. Yeah, this is pancit canton, Chinese noodles, Philippine style. I don't like that. I'm getting this one instead. Also getting two of this. Yeah, sparkling mineral water. I'm also getting ready cut vegetable like coleslaw. We are now here at the sports center. I'm going to prepare my meal. It's going to be a noodles. So the ingredients, it's going to be just this garlic, some vegetable, already cut vegetable, noodles, egg noodles, dry noodles, soy sauce and sesame oil. Put combination of two noodles. I think it's okay. Put some water. Now I already master not to make it splashing everywhere. Basically, yeah, slowly, just like what you said on the comment. Yeah, like that. I'm going to put it all. This is actually made for coleslaw. At work, they like the noodles like this. So basically, just at work, what I do is just yeah, mix vegetable, a lot of garlic, and then yeah, noodles, egg noodles, and then soy sauce, sesame oil. That's it. Some salt. It's delicious. They like it. I like it too. Okay, so I have to take away content. Yeah, this. 1 and 2. So I have 2 set of meal. Maybe for tomorrow and then the day after. Or maybe tonight. Now, I need to do the washing. There's actually a lot of people here at the sports center. Oh, it's still open. Swimming pool is still open, actually. Yeah, I thought it's closed already because it's written on the website. Oh, I forgot. Also, the window is open. Yeah, but I can close it remotely by just pressing this button. Yeah, very nice pictures. Yeah, and yeah, I'm going to show you that there are many people here. Yeah, doing playing sports. The netball court, the other half is closed. Only 3 courts is working, is usable, and lots of people here. They are students. And we are now here at the Gan Gan Lookout. And so basically this one is just at the back of my previous apartment. I've been here several times, but this is the first time that I drive with my van. Yeah. I also drive up here with my Suzuki Jimny before, but I also did walk. Yeah, coming from down there up here. And there is actually a tower here. Yeah, for the telephone. Yeah, telecommunication tower. Between those two mountains is the mouth of this Karua River. Yeah, that is basically the mouth, the big, like a big sea. That is Karua River. All the way to the Karua, of course. Yeah, there is a town over there called Karua. It is beautiful here. You can see the whole Port Stephens and the other islands. The other side is the Hawk's Nest and Tea Garden. If you drive all the way there, that will be around 1 hour drive. Yeah. Also, if you take a ferry going to the other side, the same 1 hour ferry ride. And after the Tea Garden, there will be the Porster and some towns over there. And my apartment is actually just down there. I mean, the previous apartment is just there. Oh, look at this. There is one good sandals for lady. Yeah, it's Eco, ECCO. Yeah, a good brand and looks like a good quality. And here there is also another lookout. Okay, we're going to leave this place now, and I'd like to go to Shoal Bay, and we are now here in Shoal Bay. Yeah, outside is actually cold. When I was in the Gan Gan Lookout, yeah, it was cold, windy. Yo, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, I just came from the grocery, and I bought this. Yeah, paper towel, a frozen mee goreng. Yeah, frozen mee goreng. And oh no, yeah, this is frozen, and this one is just microwavable, ready to eat. Mild chicken curry and rice, and a toothbrush. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock, and I finish at 2 o'clock. And the time now is actually already 4:38. Yeah, I have been inside of the shopping center. I was just there walking around. Yeah, I thought I have no plan of buying anything, but yeah, I end up buying this. And I actually also already had a cup of coffee and 2 pieces of donut from Donut King. I spent $7.50 at the coffee shop. And this one is, I forgot how much the total. Let's check the total. How much? I don't know. $3. $3 and $7. And this is about $3 also something. I think less than $20 I spend. Oh, just over $20 including the coffee. Yeah, and this is good for my dinner, and this will be for tomorrow lunch or dinner. Yeah, actually I eat regular meal one time in a day. Yeah, but at work I eat from time to time of something, especially fruits and breads, sweets, and chips. Yeah, but regular meal, yeah, just like regular meal like this, yeah, one time a day. Yeah, so I have been walking around, and at the moment I already did 16,684 steps. Yeah, at work I already did just at work I did around 10,000 steps. Yeah, like what I've said, if you are working in the kitchen, yeah, you do a lot of walking. Of course, it depends on how much you are doing. I mean, yeah, because I'm doing a lot of things in the kitchen, cooking, preparing things, getting things, going to the fridge, going to the cold room, you know, something like that, going to the dry store. Yeah, moving to one table to another table. Yeah, every steps they are counted. Yeah, and actually last week I was I was on the top walkers, I mean steepers, something like that. Look at this, let me show you this because there is an app, a Garmin Connect. Yeah, this one, I don't know if you can see this one. This one is Garmin Connect. If you open that, yeah, there are different badges and different challenges, and I am here in the weekly. Yeah, look at that. At the moment I am second. Yeah, second to the highest steps. Mr. James already did 102 485 steps, and me, I did 92,174 steps. But last week I can see it also that last week. Oh yeah, this one. This the last week one. I did 132,256 steps. Amazing. If I am not mistaken, this is the whole Australia, and all the people who are using the same unit, the same model, or maybe the whole Garmin website or the whole Garmin user. I'm not sure. Maybe probably just the people only using this this model of watch. Yeah, amazing. You know, my goal before, I don't know how many steps I am doing. I'm not counting. I'm not aware. But now that I know that I can monitor it, yeah, my goal now is to always be on the top, to be always the top one. Yeah. Amazing. Now I am the second, but actually I want to defeat this one. I want to be the winner. I want to be the top one. So I feel like going to walk around. Yeah, this basically is a weekly challenge. Yeah, look at that.